Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I have 2010 Nissan Versa SL and I'm going to show you how to remove a mass airflow sensor. Let's go for it, guys. Pop the hood. We'll just pop up the hood. That's what we're going to do first. There we go. Alright guys, here's a mass airflow sensor. It's between the air intake and the throttle body. It's right here, which is held by two screws. That's it. So basically, what you use is the like a small ratchet and a extension and 7mm socket. That's what I'm using. I think if you use a screwdriver, it's too big and there's no room for it. So use a small ratchet and extension has 7mm socket. Alright, this one right here. There you go, nice and easy. This one. Once it's loose, just take by your hand. Just with the socket and extension is good. Sorry if I'm blocking it, but I needed to get it out. There you go, that's one. Alright, it's one more in the back. A little tight, but should be able to get it. So once you loosen it by the deep, short socket, and just get the deep socket and just take it out. There you go. Pretty tight. That's it right there. Once you take out the screws, just take out like disconnect the wire harness. So there's a clip here, just squeeze the clip and just pull. There you go. And this is the wire harness for the mass airflow sensor. And just take it out. It's nice and easy. There you go. Yeah, it is a mass airflow sensor. That's what it looked like. One whole piece. Okay guys, once you remove it out, you can either replace the mass airflow sensor, or you just clean it and put it back, and it's how you install it back. It's the way you brought it out. So put it there, and then there's a wire harness here. Just slap it back on. Just like that. Snap it on, and then put the screws back in, and you're all set to go. Here's the screws. Small screws. Okay. Use this here to put it in. There you go. That's one. It won't be too tight either. A small screw, you can snap it. So make sure it's tight in there, and put the other one in. All right. The back one's a little tough too. I put it in. It's no room. All right. Once you get started, by your hand. So once it's in there, you just use the socket and the small wrench to tighten it. That's all you do. All right. All right. There you go. That's all you need to do. A little tight with the 7mm socket and ratchet and extension. That's how you do it. Hey guys, just want to let you know, if your mass airflow sensor is dirty, or you try to clean it, or you make sure you clean with the mass airflow sensor cleaner. This is specifically for the mass airflow sensor. This is what it'll look like, and that's what it is. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching Tech Time with T. That is how you do a 2010 Nissan Versa SL mass airflow sensor. So basically it's a hole by 2 screws and a wire harness. It's basic, easy, 2 screws, a 7mm socket, a short socket, and a ratchet, or you can use a screwdriver. Just two screws and a wire harness, plug them, and that's it. So it's pretty simple, it's easy to do. So maybe you can save some extra buck in your pocket.